Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find spaces settings on your account on Xtwitter. Easy and quick. First click here on your profile. Here you will find spaces, click on it, and here as you see you will find your spaces settings. You can listen to any space here, and that's it. That's how to find spaces settings on your account on Xtwitter. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.